Did you know that 69% of students graduated with an average debt of $30,000 and that only 8% of millennials have a decent understanding of basic financial concepts? University students have to juggle numerous different responsibilities, but an issue that students are continuously facing is financial stress. This is affecting their well being in their everyday life. So, how does one financially plan, create budgets, and save up for the future? Now, let us look at another big problem faced by students: the lack of soft skills. Did you know that about 93% of employers rank soft skills to be the deciding factor while recruiting? As jobs become increasingly automated, soft skills are even more important. According to a report by Forbes, hard skills might get your resume looked at, but soft skills will help you stand out and get you hired by the recruiter or promoted by your manager. So now that we know that soft skills are important, so how do we develop these? Well, we at Enactus Sheridan run the CPA and Enactus the Importance of Financial Literacy project to educate college students on financial planning, savings, credit scores, and debt management. This will make them financially literate, help with mental well-being, and develop important soft skills which recruiters are looking for. Did you know that millennials have the lowest credit scores of all generations and that 1 in 15 student loan borrowers have considered suicide due to their student loans? Well, this is what we plan to change by assisting students in making truly informed and well-planned financial decisions and enhancing themselves with the soft skills to land up in the dream job position. We gave them insights on how to plan to save, budget, improve credit scores, and manage student loans and mortgages. This helped them plan ahead to buy a home, fund their children's education, and even have an income at retirement. This project helped manage the extreme stress financials have on students and help their mental well-being. We collaborated with Chartered Professional Accountants Ontario, that is CPA Ontario, to host a workshop led by Faith Pember, a student recruiter who addressed how to develop soft skills in order to be easily noticed by recruiters in this virtual work environment. We believe that financial planning starts today for a secure and bright tomorrow. 25 students were informed on the benefits of creating an emergency fund, ensuring the safety of money by avoiding fraud, shopping wisely by comparison, opening up a TFSA account, and so much more. Going forward, on April 6th, we have our second financial literacy event with CPA Ontario, which will be more focused towards credit scores, compound interest, and include an activity on creating realistic budgets. Additionally, to build students' soft skills, increase motivation, limit the anxiety of choosing a career, and get hired, we developed Project Futurely. Futurely is a project that helps students decide their future career path and empowers them with the right knowledge, skills, and practical experiences through training and mentoring sessions to inspire action in today's youth. It is more difficult than ever before to stay motivated, to achieve our goals, whether it be of getting our dream job position, successfully launching our own startup, or even meeting our financial goals. By focusing on first-year college students who are beginning their journey, it will help us emphasize the importance of starting early and starting strong. The objective of organizing career planning and speed mentoring events is to get students thinking from day one about why they are in school. Having a digital platform will help students build their career roadmaps and contribute every single day in working towards these career goals. 100% of the 60+ students who engaged in 2 of our events reported being more motivated, while 40% suggested that they were encouraged to take up campus leadership roles. Students felt optimistic about the prospects of their future and indicated that having regular follow-up events will keep them focused on what is important and empower them with the goal-setting skills. Going forward, we plan to organize such monthly events featuring guest speakers, trainers, and panelists to inspire students to start early and start strong. At Enactus Sheridan, we empower students with the knowledge to be financially literate, grow their soft skills, and rise to success.